yourself. Is there any demon who is trying to propitiate you?
Devi, he is Ravana, the monarch of Lanka.
Pranamam Paramashiva, Pranamam. Look at there, O Lord. Evil Ravana is doing tapas to please you. And his saintly God hides the most venomous energy of the entire creation. And once he gains power by pleasing you, Lord, the blazing fires of Adharma will be inescapable.
Ravana's prayers have reached my ears before years, and his devotion at this time seems to be sincere and genuine. Bhakta Poshana is my primary obligation. A heart filled with intense devotion cannot be refused.
But he is a Rakshasa, O Lord, for ages. Their race stands for tyranny and wickedness. You can't grant him what he asks for.
Shall my grace needs your manifestation? Along with Bhakta Poshana, Lokarakshana is my obligation too. A heart filled with intense devotion cannot be refused. But my solemn responsibilities towards devotees remains unaltered. Even if Ravana asks for the entire world, even if he asks for the Kailasha itself, I will give him without hesitation. I must confer it. Don't submit to dejection. Ravana has pleased me, so I am obliged to him. But he has forgotten to propitiate the obstacle Ganesha. So, Ganesha,
Understood, Father. You perform your godly actions, and I shall save the earth from its reaction.
Hey Mahadeva, hey Mahakala, for days I have been praying in this cold weather of Kailasha. Even if the body perishes and soul enters into nothingness, I will not leave this place until I have your darshana.
Ravana, I am pleased with your penance, did I not? And pour out your heart's desire.
Hey Sambasiva, hey Mrutyunjaya, sanctified is my soul, for it is found its source. I seek nothing but immortality, for that alone bind me to your lotus feet forever. And that immortality I seek in the form of your Atmalinga, your own image, O Lord.
Tathastu. So be it. My Atmalinga is yours. Take it to Lanka. But remember that it should not touch the earth on the way. For once it touches, then I will not be able to move it.
Dhanyasmi Mahadeva, Dhanyasmi. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Strengthened by the power of Mahadeva and the moon of Brahma, I shall take the Ashtadik Palakas, my Sevakas. Navagrahas shall serve as my states of my sand up to the golden throne of Lanka, from where I shall rule the whole world till eternity. Immortality is in my hand, and Lankeshwar Ravana is nearly God. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Not delay my worship. Oh, here comes a cowherd boy. Hey, little boy, come here. I need some help.
You little boy, me, who is actually little, who knows? Though you may walk straight, your thoughts may go everywhere. You go your way, and I shall go mine.
Little bit boy, who are you? And why do you roam alone in this wilderness? And where are your parents?
In the high mountains, my parents reside. My father spends most of his time in the smasana, doing jhana, and my mother takes care of our little world. Something which is supposed to be my father is missing. Oh, such a precious thing it is. I am on a mission to replace what is lost.
I will help you find it over, my son. But as the Sandhya approaches, I must worship the sun. Here, hold this little thing for me. When I return, I, Lankeshwar Ravana, will find it.
Lankeshwar too needs Parmashiva. Why don't we rest these on the ground? So heavy it is.
No, never. For my Lord forbids doing so. Be patient for a while.
It is some Maya. The stone grows heavy and hurts my tiny palms. Oh, King Ravana. If I am unable to bear it, then I will call you thrice and then place it on the ground.
Endure it for a while, my child, and I shall reward you.
Oh, King Ravana, it is beyond my power. Ravana, can you listen? My weak and soft hands are not accustomed to bear such loads. Now I am taking your name for the third time.
No! What have you done, you stupid child? Om Namah Shivaya. My entire strength fails to move it. Mahadeva,